Teacups, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited for this video today because I'm so excited to sew. I haven't sewed in like so long. Like, I'm so excited to sew. It's not even funny. So we gonna sew today, Teacups. We gonna sew. And I know y'all are probably wondering, what am I actually gonna be sewing today? So I've been like in a like trying to get into like my working out kind of era. I really have been feeling a little bit more motivated to do some at-home workouts. I'm even thinking about maybe even doing some at-home workout videos. So if that's something that y'all may want to see, then you can let me know down in the comments below. But I realized when I went to go work out, went to go grab some workout clothes to do some at-home workouts, I don't really have that many like workout clothes. I don't really have a lot of workout clothes, like, because I don't really work out like that. Like, I'm not in that era yet, like I said. Now I will say it has been something that has always been on my vision board. I've had this on my vision board for a while. My girl, what's her name? Bella Bo I can't remember her name. I'm leave, but she's been on my inspo board for a while. So I'm trying to get into my workout. I'm trying to get into my workout era. So y'all, look at this. I got this jumpsuit. I got this off the TikTok shop. This came off the TikTok shop. And this is giving more like BBL vibes, I feel like BBL fashion. I don't got no BBL. Y'all know that. Like, I'm a skinny mini. I'm a skinny itty mini mini mighty mo. Okay? I'm a skinny Benny. So I'm like tiny, and when I tried this on, it didn't fit me like the BBL girls. It did not. It didn't fit me like the BBL girls because I don't have a BBL. Now I know I made a video telling y'all I have been taking my little BBL gummies, BBL jersey gummies. I have, but I gained a little something back there, but not quite like a big BBL. Okay, so I'm gonna have to alter this jumpsuit that it can fit me. Now y'all gonna see what it looks like on me. You're gonna see what it looks like on. It's just, it doesn't fit snug for me because, like I said, I'm petite. I'm petite. I can't help it. Okay. Who is texting me? Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. And it can get ugly, but boy, it gets beautiful. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be altering this. I picked this out from the TikTok shop. I actually love the color, but instead of just throwing it away, I said I'm going to actually alter it to fit me. Now, at first I was gonna maybe remake it into something else, but I like the idea of it being like a workout jumpsuit so that I can work out in like an everyday thing, like have something to work out in, you know, like a weekly thing. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I do like that it has the ruching on the butt, so it can make me look like I got that. No, okay, I'm excited. But, and it does have padding in it, so we gotta try to work around that. I still need to make it look even. It needs to look like even, and I don't want the flares to be gone. Like, I don't want to make it into a skinny jean. I'm not ready to go back into the skinny jean, skinny pant era. I'm just not. I'm not. So yeah, we're gonna work this thing out. I'm gonna show y'all the before of what it looks like, and then we're gonna do the after. I feel like it should be a simple alteration. I had already like did a little testing of how I can alter it. I had tried it on and like use these aren't even pins, these are clips. These are sewing clips. I got them off Amazon. They're in my Amazon storefront, but I use the sewing clips because I need to use a lot of sewing clips. So I didn't want to use pins because I didn't want it to like the pins to pin me. All right, I didn't want the pins to pin me, so I use the sewing clips, so I like that better for altering for safety purposes. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm gonna pull this off? I think I can pull this alteration off. I feel like it's like this is like easy level alteration, not nothing too hard. So I really think I can pull this off. Before we actually get into the alteration thing, I do want you to comment below letting me know like what's your favorite workout to do. Like, do you like working out at home? Do you like working out in the gym? Are you a workout girly or boy at all? Okay, or are you trying to get into that workout era going into 2025? Okay, I think we should. Like, your health is important. Speaking of health, y'all see what went down with the healthcare? Yeah, that was insane. Okay, I know that's so off topic. Anyways, hopefully this does motivate you to, you know, get your health in order. Okay, and get your butt to that sewing machine. You know, because we gonna be sewing all 2025. I know I said it. We gonna be sewing. I feel like I just have a little bit more difficult time with putting out these videos because it's a lot. Sewing on camera is not easy. It takes a lot of takes. I have to switch the camera and it's a lot. So bear with me, okay? But I'm coming. But before we get started, so that I know y'all really are riding for the sewing series and y'all really love the sewing videos, make sure you like this video. go share it with a friend. Like share it with somebody, or share it on your social media, share it on something, and make sure you drop a comment and a like. Do that for me. It's all free 99, boo. Okay, so sharing is caring. I'm waiting. And I'm trying to get to 200k subscribers. So if you want to join the community, if you want to join the teacup community, my little teacup, this is not a teacup, by the way. I do need to, you know, get me a little teacup, but my little teacups, they know the vibes. So if you want to be a part of the teacup community, join the vibes. Okay, let's go try on this jumpsuit so I can show y'all how I'm gonna get this thing done. All right, y'all, so this is what the jumpsuit looks like on. It's like this. Turn around. Super cute. Now I'm gonna flip it inside out so you can see what it looks like. We definitely gonna alter this. Y'all, I'm honestly like, should I like do something else to it, or should I just leave it as is? I feel like I want to leave it as is. I don't know, maybe I'll do a little razzle dazzle to it later on. I don't know, y'all give me y'all opinions down below, but for now I'm just gonna make it into make it more fitted. Okay, so here I am grabbing my clips, and to get rid of that baggy crotch area, I'm going to be pulling up on the straps, and I'm going to be clipping where my straps are. I took off about an inch, but I wanted it to be super tight, but not too tight. I still need to be able to move around and have comfort in my shoulders and in the crotch area. So now I'm adding these clips all the way down to my waist, down to the crotch, and making sure I'm doing this on both sides, seeing how tight I truly want it to be. So I was taking the clips on and off, so please just bear with me. This jumpsuit does have bra cups in the inside, so I'm clipping under the arm area as well, but leaving that hole open where the bra cups are so that I can take the cups out if I want to. I do feel like it looks pretty good and fitted front and back. And this is what the back looks like as well. And so far it looks pretty good, and I am satisfied with the fitting of how it's going once I flipped the jumpsuit inside out. And like I said, I still wanted to leave some room just in case I do want to go back and maybe sew it to fit a little bit tighter, but I would rather leave that room for myself to be able to adjust it if needed. We got the alteration down. As y'all can see, I got my clips in. Now I gotta take it off. Put your laptops in. What do you say? Put your laptops inside the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off. Take it off. Zahara looking like, what is wrong with you? Anyways, I gotta take it off. So that's what we're finna get ready to do. I hope I take it off and the pins don't come out. I realized, like, because I'm petite and I'm trying to get this like baggy crotch to come out of it, I had to basically lift, so cut off some of the straps. And yeah, so it looks a little bit more modest in a way, which I'm actually not mad at, because I just don't like when things are like, and I gotta constantly pull stuff up, or I don't want my butt crack showing off in the back. Okay, I don't want crack heels, so I don't want that showing. So I'm actually okay with this being lifted in the back a little bit more. So I'm cool with that. So yeah, let's take her to the sewing machine, and then we should be done. I can use her in the morning to work out. Yeah. Let's give her a little walk. Hey. Hey. I know that's right. Okay. Go ahead, wiggle. Hey, yeah. No? Okay. Go ahead, wiggle. Hey. Yeah, that might be too much. My mom's definitely watching this video. Okay, so now I'm taking some Taylor's chalk, and where I actually pinned, I'm going to be marking. So I'm marking a straight line, so that way I can move those clips out of the way and sew, just making it easier for myself. I am using a zigzag stitch and a stitch length of 3 since this is a stretch fabric. I don't want to use a straight stitch because, again, I still want to be able to, the fabric to still be able to stretch. Also, don't forget to use your beginning and end back stitching to secure your stitches, and you're going to do the exact same thing for the other side as well. Not gonna lie, my bobbin thread got stuck a little, so I had to fix it and kind of restart. But I am sewing the sides now, and remembering not to sew that bra cup hole closed. I don't want to sew down that elastic on the bra cup as well. I am sewing underneath it, and then I'm continuing to sew all the way down along the sides where my clips were, so that way we can get that desired fit that we're going for. Again, I'm doing the same steps to the other side of the jumpsuit, using the cutter on my machine to cut off all of those unnecessary threads once I get to the end of my sewing stitch. You're somebody who literally sweats bullets when you're sewing stretchy fabric, because I know it can be tricky stretching sewy fabrics. Stretchy fabric literally has a mind of its own. Try going slow, take your time, use your seam gauge, you will be fine. But I can't wait to see how this thing goes from being a baggy couch potato jumpsuit to a snatch gym baddie jumpsuit. Okay, I'm super excited. Honey, my sewing machine was going, and I was praying she didn't try to eat up my fabric again, but we made it through, okay? Finally, the moment of truth. I'm gonna slip this bad boy on. Baby, it was literally chef's kiss, okay? I'm so happy with this results. Do a little dance, okay? All right, teacups. This is the finished look. I actually didn't cut out the strap parts of these yet, because they still have like the part where I have to, so I do still have the little strap portion over here that I need to cut out. But overall, I could have made the crotch a little bit tighter, but I didn't. I think overall, we're gonna see how she is when we work out. I didn't want it to be too tight, but I think it looks better than what, like how it looked previous before I did the alteration. I'm loving it. So now we're gonna go ahead and test her out and see how she is when we work out, okay? What y'all think? The crotch is, this ruching part is lifted up a little bit, which, like I said, I don't mind because I don't want my like crack showing, so I'm okay with that. But overall, I think it came out super cute. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and if you think I should kind of make it tighter, or if you think I should add anything to it or do something different. But I'm liking it. Okay, now it's time to hit the mat. So of course we had to put on our jumpsuit to put this thing to use. I'm doing a little stretching, and then we gonna go ahead and work on these glutes, because that is my main goal for the new year, is to focus on my glutes. First, I did 3 sets of 10 reps. 3 sets and 10 reps of squats on my Live Pro Glute Blast machine. These are called sissy squats. So I'm doing this. I absolutely love this machine. It literally has motivated me to want to work out more at home, and it kind of gives me, it's kind of like that tool that just helps me to figure out what kind of workouts I want to do, and it gets me going. I actually got this off of the TikTok shop, but I'm going to leave the link to it below if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself. But next, I'm doing lunges on both sides, on both legs. Again, 3 sets on each leg. I'm doing 10 reps of each. And I'm not gonna lie, doing these, I started to feel the freaking burn, okay? Because I am not a regular, like, workout gym girly. I'm trying to get there, but I was feeling the burn, okay? But then I went into doing some Bulgarian squats. I think that's how you call it. Next time I'll do them with some weights. I actually have to get me some decent weights that I actually feel, you know, that I can handle. But yeah, I have to get me some weights. But next I went into the Bulgarian squats. I think that's how you say it. And then after that, I went into the hip extension. I really like doing these. It was a little harder than I thought, than I expected to do these. I didn't know if I had the band right with this one. So it was actually harder for me than I thought it was going to be. But I guess the more I continue to practice and do these, the easier that it will get for me. So I was trying not to be too hard on myself. But yeah, I placed one end of the band in one handle, and then I place the other end around my ankle, and then I'm just lifting to the best of my ability. Again, I didn't think that this workout was going to be as hard as it was, but it actually was, and it kind of shocked me. So after that, I did go into a few push-ups. Honey, I have not done push-ups in a while, okay? So I was like, let me go ahead and do the little girly push-ups for a minute because I need to build up my strength. So that is what I did. I did a few regular ones, and then I went into my little girly push-ups, and it was all good. Still getting that same workout in, you know? But these were kind of intense, like I said, too. So building up my strength, I went into the girly push-ups. But last but not least, I ended off this workout with some reps of hip thrust. And I actually really like doing this workout because, again, I can feel the burn. And I did use my band to do this workout. And that was pretty much it. Just a simple little glute workout. I am going to figure out some other workouts that I'm going to do. If you guys want to see more at home workout routines from me, then give this video a like and comment below, and I will do them. But yeah, I think turned out perfectly. I could still do my workouts, and I feel like it's going to be a great daily fit for me to use within my fitness routine. All right, y'all, so that is it for this sewing video. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next as far as my sewing series content goes, and I will do whatever you guys request or whatever you want to see me do next. I have a bunch of stuff that I actually need to recreate and alter, things that I have that I want to do that I'm just trying to get through, okay? So be patient with me because I am a mom, but I do want to get more of this content out there. So yeah, until the next video, I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.